Hello guys, today we are going to make instant noodles, but not with that stove, with that microwave. We already have everything here. We have the noodles, the fried crispy thingies, the ketchup and the seasoning ketchup thingy, the seasoning and the chili, and also the hot water. What you're gonna do first is pour the cup of hot water. Usually we need 3 cups of hot water. So 3 cups of hot water. Is it full yet? It is. Now we put it into it again. Yeah, by the way, don't eat these things too often. They are not too healthy for you. I only eat this because this is part of my 2-week schedule. So yeah, long live 2-week schedule. Later we will skip the microwaving part because it will take quite a long time. So yeah, probably I will use it to do the other parts of the tutorial. Now, put the water inside again, and we're done. Put the cup away. Now we just need to move the bowl inside the microwave. And now it is inside the microwave. Now here is the lid. We close it. We close the door. Set it to maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I'll go with 2.5 minutes to be safe. Now the other part of the tutorial that I was talking about is the serving. How to serve it. You need to open up these ingredient thingies, and I only have 2 hands. One of them is holding this camera, so okay, we put all the seasoning thingies over there. And also, why do I make it with the microwave? Because I know how to use this stuff. You just need to point it to where you want. This part, this part, this part, or that part. Later you just turn this thing on and poof, incendio. But I do not like doing that. I like it using the microwave. And look, the microwave is already done. Now I will need to drain it. And as I told you before, I only have 2 hands, so you must wait a second. Look at those noodles. Yeah, so delicious. You don't have to image, okay? I'm not gonna for you, so I'm gonna drain it and wait a minute. So I am done draining the noodles. Why do we need to drain the noodles? Because it is actually fried noodles. If you use the stove after you make it like this, not these thingies, these smooth thingies, later you need to also drain it. But with the microwave, I don't know why I like to use a microwave, but yeah, to make fried noodles. Now just drop it all. Yeah, it looks delicious, doesn't it? Yeah. Now we're done with the drainer. Look at that, delicious noodles. So delicious. Yeah. But there's no color, there's no taste. It's good thing there's Mr. Forky and Mr. Spoony. You will mix it up. Wait a minute. Now we just done. Look at that. Tasty noodles. Delicioso. Magnifique. Bon appetit. Bye.